Hello, I'm Andre Amsing from onlineincomeroadmap.net and also andreamsing.com. This is my review for Marketpal, which is an all-in-one solution for anybody that wants to build an online business. They guarantee that after buying Marketpal, you won't be needing any other tools, any online tools to build a profitable online business. You don't have to buy any website builders, any launch page, email marketing tools. You don't have to buy any page builders, membership site software. Everything is included. And the best thing is that during this launch week of 7 days from the 10th of September 2020 to the 17th of September, you can get it at a one-time payment, no monthly costs, $47 or $67. Just before getting into the details of the Marketpal software, let's go and take a look at the bonus page. I've put together some bonuses for you if you buy Marketpal through my link, and these bonuses are really fantastic. So let's go to the bonus page. Okay, here we are on Marketpal Review and Mega Bonuses page. This page comes down as soon as the launch is over, so you need to click through to the offer. The links are active Thursday, the 10th of September 2020 at 10 EDT. So if you get there before, please bookmark this page and come back. So you have the Marketpal box here, and it's an all-in-one marketing solution to sell and market your products and services under one central dashboard. So here's a little description on this product, and it's a really fantastic product, especially at the prices that you get. This is really an all-in-one marketing solution to sell your products and services during this launch. There's no monthly fees afterwards if you get it during this week. So from between the 10th and the 17th of September. So let's discover the mega bonuses that you'll get by buying the Marketpal app or software through my link. Bonus number 1 is 10x commissions. This comes from Brendan Mace. This is strategic and it is very, very good, and it's worth $97. Bonus number 2 is the deadly sins of email marketing, because you're getting with Marketpal an email responder and you need to know how to use emails to make money. Bonus number 3 is launch jacking formula. This is Jono Armstrong, a strong way of making money, launch jacking, hijack your way to success. Check it out. It's really worth studying. If you're going to be working as a freelancer and using this software to do websites and mobile optimized pages for local client businesses, they all need to go online, as I explained in the little article. This is how to get business clients on LinkedIn. This is Hung Lee, who is one of my mentors who taught me this method, B2B marketing strategies. The second training that he does is on how to get more referrals, because you get your first 2 or 3 clients. From there on, you can get clients easily if you just ask for them. Other bonuses that you might like. Bonus number 6 is mindset hurdles to overcome to succeed online. 18 reasons why you're not succeeding online and what you can do about it. This is a mini course with ebook and videos. The thank you page strategy is how to use your thank you page to finance your paid ads, including solo ads and any Facebook or YouTube ads that you might be doing, or Google. Bonus number 8 is list building cash machine. We all need to know how to do it. This is training from Omar Martin, who is a 6-figure marketer. Bonus number 9 is how to make money with your blog. Marketpal will give you all the tools that you need. So turn your blog into a money-making machine. This is an ebook and 3 videos that give you 9 reasons to build a money-making blog. And then for the first 25, there's a fast action bonus, 30-day email follow-up for any question that you might want to ask. And you need to know how to access these bonuses. First of all of these bonuses will be immediately available on the JVZoo platform. Just find the bonus button, Marketpal bonus button, to qualify for your bonuses. Of course, you need to click through and purchase Marketpal all-in-one marketing software through the links on this page. If you want to have a 30-day follow-up with me, then you need to contact me by sending your receipt and transaction ID so I can send you a contact and follow-up email. But like I said, all the other bonuses are available on the JVZoo platform as soon as you have bought it. Okay, as you can see, there's a timer. This timer is coded to end the 17th of September. You might have a little overlap if you're a bit late. If you have any problems for the bonuses, you can always get back to me if you were able to buy it. But how much does it cost? Well, it's a all-in-one solution starting at $47 for a personal license and $67 for professional commercial license, one-time payment. With Marketpal app, you can sell your products and services from one integrated dashboard. After the launch, the price will go up to $147 and $197. So you need to check it out as fast as possible. Okay, that's for the bonus page, and check around other bonus pages if you like, but come back and you'll see that my bonuses are really the best on the market. Okay, talk later. Bye.
Okay, we're back. For a beginning marketer, he realizes fairly quickly that all the tools that he needs to buy to run his profitable online business, his monthly costs are eating up his budget, even before he starts making any money. But Marketpal is an offer where you have all the tools that you need in one integrated dashboard, and you can get it for $47 for a personal license or $67 for a commercial license to be able to sell your services to companies that need to expand online. And all of this is in one central dashboard. So you want to earn income selling online courses or digital products, your own or affiliate marketing? Marketpal gives you all the tools that you need in one place. Create lead capture pages, splash pages, landing pages, and sales pages. Marketpal has you covered. Marketpal has actually more than 200 templates, so you save a lot of time. You don't have to build anything from scratch. You save a lot of time getting your product to the market. Lightning fast pages, you know how much Google likes lightning fast pages and promotes them over slower and clunkier websites. This is called page speed, and it's very important to be up to par. But you'll never be able to compete with the big boys if you don't have the best lightning fast speeds possible. And Marketpal has all this integrated latest technology. Pop-ups and sticky bars. This stops visitors in their tracks so that they reconsider leaving or reconsider whether or not they want to buy. And Marketpal knows that this gives you a competitive edge. Your own autoresponder with beautifully crafted email templates, and you also have everything that you need to analyze and improve your results. It's 100% GDPR European compliant and CAN-SPAN compliant. Mobile optimized pages, 50% of visitors on the internet consult, and you probably do too, with their telephone. And the problem is that many businesses have clunky, slow loading and non-mobile optimized sites. And they need mobile optimized pages to attract their clients. And they can't afford anymore with the recession to leave them to the competitors. So you can offer the service as a freelancer for somewhere between $500 and $750 per mobile page, or a mobile optimized website, because new businesses are coming to the market every day from somewhere between $900 and $1,500 or $2,500, depends how complex the website is. Marketpal really gives you the opportunity to build a 10K business as a freelancer, but also as an affiliate marketer. Grab this all-in-one marketing solution to be able to sell your products and your services from one central dashboard. During this launch, there's no monthly fees. It is a one-time payment, which is really fantastic. And you can get all the features of Marketpal for one low fee. So click on the link and go directly to the sales page, and you will find my bonuses available as soon as you have bought it with the blue bonus button. Talk soon. Check out what real users have to say about our solutions. Ankur Shukla said that he got beta access to Marketpal, and trust me, I'm truly amazed with all its features. Now I too can build eye-catchy marketing pages, notify my visitors, and even send them perfect offers right into their inbox with just a few clicks. Believe me, this amazing software allows me to do all this in one place, and that too without any tech skills. It's definitely one of the best tools available in the market right now. And Mashabari, which is another marketer, thanks for creating a wonderful piece of technology. Initially, I was skeptical, but as I used it, I realized it was very fast and easy to use and create unlimited landing pages, send unlimited emails in no time, and also help you to present the best offers to your targeted audience. And you know what the best part is? All of this comes without any monthly payment chores forever. 2 thumbs up for that one. Okay, so click through and get Marketpal and also get your bonuses. Talk soon.